In this question, it is given that A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. E and F are the midpoints of side AB and CD. And we have to prove that this P and Q trisect this diagonal, means DP equals to PQ equals to QB. So for this, first of all, we will prove that this quadrilateral AECF is a parallelogram. And then if this is a parallelogram, then this EC and AF will be parallel to each other, because in parallelogram opposite sides are parallel. So from there we can say that EQ and AP are parallel because parts of same parallel lines. Then we will use a triangle ABP and triangle DCQ. E is the midpoint, so Q will also be midpoint of PB by converse of midpoint. And similarly in triangle DCQ, F is the midpoint, so P will also be the midpoint by the converse of midpoint theorem. So for that, first of all, we need to prove that AECF is a parallelogram, because midpoint converse of midpoint is applicable only when these lines will be parallel. So for that purpose, we need to prove this quadrilateral as a parallelogram. So first of all, to prove this, because this AB and CD are parallel to each other, so AE and CF will be parallel because these are the half. AB equal to CD, so half of AB and CD are equal, and AE parallel to CD. So if one pair opposite side is equal and parallel, then this become a parallelogram. So for this, the solution steps are, so in parallelogram ABCD, AB equal to CD because opposite side of parallelogram. So half of AB equal to half of CD. Here we are taking half of AB as AE and half of CD as CF. So AE equal to CF. And second thing, AE and CF are parallel also because these are the parts of parallel line. So therefore AECF is a parallelogram because one pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. So we can say from here that CE is parallel to AF, opposite side of parallelogram. Now for taking this triangle ABP here. Now here in triangle ABP, EQ is parallel to AP because these are the parts of same parallel line. E is the midpoint of AB. So therefore by converse of midpoint theorem, Q is midpoint of PB. Means BQ and PQ are equal. Similarly in triangle DCQ, this PF is parallel to CQ and F is the midpoint of CD. So here in this triangle DCQ, by converse of midpoint theorem, P will be the midpoint of DQ. It means DP and PQ are equal. Now from this triangle, first triangle, BQ and PQ are equal, and from second triangle DP and PQ are equal. So it means all these three parts are equal. So this trisect this diagonal. AF and CE trisects the diagonal. So here now P is the midpoint, so DP equals to PQ. So from equation 1 and 2, as I discussed from the figure, from equation 1 and 2, BQ is equal to PQ and PQ equals to DP. So BQ equals to PQ equals to DP means BQ equal to PQ equal to DP means the two sides AF and CE trisects the diagonal. So this is the result for this.